So I have this sewing chair. I'm gonna reupholster. The top already, this part fell off, and I took the other part off, and then there is the seat, and those are all going to get reupholstered. And first thing, I have to take these suckers out. I'm gonna go underneath here and just take these out to get this part off of the chair. I'll just go around and make sure that I don't pry up before I'm under the tack, so this part doesn't break. So I want to reuse that. I don't want to get a new one. There. Those are all off.